barcode.
Where is it? What do I have to do?
You see the ticket there? Insert ticket here.
Okay.
And turn it over because the barcode has to match the barcode on the other side. Oh no, maybe not. Okay. Thought it did. So there we go. Now when you take your girlfriend to the movies here, you can look cool. You know what you're doing. Bottom of the ramp, we're going to turn right.
All right.
Right into the center lane, we're going to go straight. You got it.
Sorry.
No, it's not your fault. That's her fault.
Yeah, because I get the right.
You did, yeah. You do have the right of way. However,
I should read it.
it doesn't always work out that way. In a perfect world, you have the right of way.
Yeah. But like that used to confuse me when I first started driving. If I turn and there's somebody going straight.
Yeah, it might be a new driver. You never know. She might have just started driving on her own. You never know.
Or she's blanked out.
Just oblivious.
Yeah, she's
With
blanked out
left
real
turning.
quick.
Yeah, that happens. Yeah. It's going to happen. And we're going to do a 3-point turn.
Alright.
Right here. Left turn at the stop sign. Did you know we have an Amazon sorting depot here in
I had no clue.
Yeah, I'll show you where it is.
How do you know so much about Sudbury? It's actually like kind of like cool. Like
I've lived here pretty much all my life.
yeah, I guess, yeah.